If you found this video helpful, please click that like button. It would really help me out, and I love all my subscribers out there. So thank you guys so much for everything and all the positive comments down below. You guys are so positive, and I really appreciate that. And if you're a new viewer, my name is Master Chong, and if you guys like this kind of content, I will consider subscribing. But if you're subscribed, thank you. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video maybe inspired you, share this video with a friend that you know that wants to learn tornado kick, or just take their tornado kick to the next level. And speaking of next level, I do have online courses down below, so if you guys want to check that out, please check that out in the link below. I can't wait to see you guys next week, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and until then, bam, check out these two videos for your preference and have a great day. Bam.